Alright, hi, I'm Crystal and I'm Dakota's aka Schnookie's mommy. And here I want to show you her favorite toy of all. And this one is perfect for exercise when it's on a rainy day or bad, you're not feeling good with the virus or anything, but we all know our dogs need exercise. This one is a perfect one to exercise without much effort, and you can do it 10 minutes and she is out like a light. That is a horse book. You can get it in any pet store where they sell grain and horse items. Also online. And Fleet Farm. If you're here in Minnesota, Fleet Farm would be the place to go, or Tractor Supply, or any of these kind of stores that supply horse items. And yeah, she's already ready to play. But I want to tell you, it's only $20 from Fleet Farm on Grabstack. And this is 7 feet high, and the reins here are 7 feet also. So it gives her a big circle so she doesn't get dizzy. I can see it's ready to play. Schnookie! I'm gonna give you a little demo in here, but I'm gonna exercise her. Okay, enough. Out. Thank you. Like I said, it's her favorite toy and she don't want to mess around with it. She wants to play. Also, what I did on the beginning when she was little, I dyed some burlaps there. A burlap, dogs like to chase it very much, but I gave up on it because she rips it off by the first round when she gets it. I show you the demonstration and let her run. I normally do 5 minutes, give her a break and run her again. So here you go, that's how I do it. Ready? You got it. All right, that's the first session. I let her have it.